Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on here and talk to you real quick. I'm actually at the store, but I just had a conversation that pissed me off so bad. And I feel like I've heard a lot of people, like I've had this discussion many times, and I know like quite a few people that feel this way. And like personally, I'm just sick of having this conversation. Like honestly, I'm just tired of having this conversation. So I think I'm just gonna say it once here, and if you get a link to this, it's because I felt myself about to have this conversation with you again, and I'm not about to. If you have something you are passionate about, it's something you want to do. But if you have something you are passionate about, it's something you want to do, you excited about it, it doesn't feel like work, you love it, do not let the fact that other people do it stop you from doing it. Like, that is the dumbest shit I've ever heard in my life. And like, I cannot believe the amount of people that really feel that way. Like, will really be like, oh, I don't want to do YouTube because it's hella bloggers. Or I don't want to do this, that, and third because there's a bunch of people that do that. So, I have never heard nobody say, there are too many lawyers, so I'm not going to go to law school. Or there are too many doctors, I don't want to go to medical school. There are too many scientists, so I'm not going to discover nothing new. Like, are you stupid? No. Why is that the case? Like, that is the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life. Because other people do it, you don't also want to do it. Like, that's so dumb. Like, people are so pressed to be different that you are really going to turn away from a thing that you want. And who's to say that the way you do it, like, I know for a fact the way you do it is going to be different from the way that everybody else is doing it, because you are not everybody else. Even if it's not, they're going to be something is going to be different. Like, anything could happen. Like, or what if the person you're so worried about, like, oh, I don't want to do it because so-and-so is doing it. Like, who's to say that that is their destiny? Like, who's to say, like, what's for you is for you. So God is only going to bless you with what you're supposed to have. Now, if what they are doing is not what they are supposed to have, then it may not work out for them. And what if it doesn't work out for them, and now neither one of y'all have this dream that you had because of the fact that you didn't want to pursue it because they were doing it? You are really going to mess up or what if you not pursuing your passion messes up somebody else's later on, because you were supposed to be there to grant somebody else a blessing, but you didn't because you was worried about what Joe Schmo was doing, or the fact that somebody else was doing it? Like, that's so stupid. Like, that probably don't even make sense, because I'm really like mad about this, but I don't understand it. So, because let's just give these people fake names. So just so y'all get an understanding, in case I have not properly explained it, let's say we have somebody named, what's a cute name? Javier. Let's say we have somebody named Javier, and Javier wants to be a dentist. But let's say that Monica is also a dentist, and Javier decides, I'm not going to be a dentist because Monica's a dentist. Now, what if Monica is a dentist for 2 years, and Monica decides, I don't want to be a dentist no more. I don't like it. I want to be a seamstress instead. Now, Javier done sat his ass around not being a dentist, didn't even bother to go to school to become a dentist, and now Monica's not a dentist either, so now ain't nobody a dentist. Javier done lost out on his dream, and Monica ain't even doing it no more, so he really just wasted everybody's time. Like, everybody's time. He wasted all of the time. Like, and now, if Javier decides he wants to be a dentist, you know what Javier got to do? Go to school for it. It's a fly in my car. But yeah, so like, I don't know, that probably still don't make sense. Like, you really not gonna pursue your dream because somebody else is already doing it? Like, what profession do you know of that no one else, like, there's one person in the world doing it besides being president or something like that? And even still, like, there are multiple world leaders. If you want to be like the star of a specific show, I guess that'd be the only situation where I could see like you being like, oh, well, I wanted to do this. And maybe if you wanted to be in acting and you only wanted to be on this one show and the spot was already taken. But then, I mean, like, people get fired. Still pursue it. Go act somewhere else and let it be known to everybody that you want to be on this show. And if a position becomes available, get it. I mean, I don't know. It just doesn't make sense. Like, I'm rambling a little bit just because I'm mad. It'll probably make more sense and I'll be able to pull my words together better when I'm not mad. But it's just dumb to me how people will really like sit on the sidelines and watch other people do their dreams just because other people are already doing it. So what's stopping the both of y'all from doing it? Me doing YouTube and my friend doing YouTube is not going to stop, like, it shouldn't stop a third friend from doing YouTube. Because if somebody just subscribes to all 3 of our channels, none of us are going to lose a subscriber as a result of that. That's dumb. Like, that's literally stupid. Like, I don't understand. It's just like clothing designers. Like, people don't stop designing clothes just because other people are also designing clothes. People don't go, like, people do not quit law school because there are too many people there. Like, do you understand that? Do you know how many lawyers are in this country? They never stop being lawyers because they're like, oh my gosh, Fred is a lawyer too. I quit. I don't want this money. Because you know how, like, so you doing that, you not following your passion to make room for somebody else to do it. Is that somebody else gonna pay for your kids to go to college with the money you should have got because you didn't want it? Like, are they gonna pay your bills? Are they gonna take you on their vacations that you were supposed to go on your own? No. You know why? Because that's dumb. Like, why would you literally not follow your dream? Like, something you actually want to do. Like, and I know people that it's stuff they actually want to do. Like, and you sit around and watch other people do it, but you don't want to do it just because somebody else is doing it. Like, that's the dumbest logic I've ever heard. I should not do this because there are too many people doing it already. Like, it's just the dumbest logic ever. I can't even make sense out of no sense because it does not make sense. Like, there should be, like I want to do YouTube. I'm doing it. Like, I may not have, like, a huge following right now, like, a whole bunch of subscribers. But, and I also don't post consistently. I know that. Somebody's probably going to mention that. I'm working on it. Consistency is something that I am working on getting better at. I can't be nothing but me. And I'm working on improving me, but me is not consistent. So we gonna work on that together. But the thing is, like, I'm still, even though the videos may not come as consistently as they should, they're still coming. I'm not gonna stop trying to do YouTube just because I'm not famous on YouTube, or just because I know 3,700 other people doing YouTube, like, in this state alone, or whatever. I don't actually know that many people, but I'm pretty sure, like, there are millions of people doing YouTube. Like, and the fact that there are millions of people doing YouTube is not going to stop me from also doing YouTube, because that's dumb. Like, people can subscribe to more than one channel, just like you can have more than one doctor, just like you can have more than one lawyer. Most people do have more than one lawyer. If you have lawyers, like, if you're in a situation where you, like, need lawyers, normally you, like, get multiple lawyers. You don't just get one lawyer, or they have multiple lawyers working on one team, because of the fact that you need people. Like, you need other advice, you need collaboration, you need other things. Like, it's dumb. I just don't understand. I know this probably didn't make no sense, but somebody is gonna understand what I'm saying, and it's probably gonna be somebody that feels the same way I do. But whatever, if you understand what I'm saying, please put in the comments below. Somehow make this make better sense, because I know it didn't make sense. But I just don't, like, I'm sick of having the same conversation over and over again. I just don't understand how people will really be like, oh, I don't want to do X, Y, and Z because everybody else is doing it. But it's like, but you do want to do X, Y, and Z because you see everybody else. Like, you're watching everyone else do it, and that's what got you interested in the first place. Like, you want to do it because you saw everybody else doing it, but you're not going to do it because people you know are also doing it. So people you know, like, you met them in school, they were also going to school. You didn't quit school because people you knew were at school. You don't quit your job because people you know work there. You don't quit your job because there are other people there, whether you know them or not, because guess what, you still want to check, right? So why don't you follow your passion regardless of who else is doing it? I don't understand. But whatever. I feel like I'm making less and less sense as I keep talking. So I'm going to stop talking, but I'm still going to post this even though it don't make no sense. And if you know how to make this make further sense, or if you at least get what I'm trying to say, please comment down below and let me know. I'm just so done right now. I just don't understand. Whatever. Fine. And then it's like, you can't force nobody. Like, you can't force anyone to do what they don't want to do. You can't force someone to pursue a dream that they're not ready to pursue. But it's just so frustrating, especially when you know someone has a talent for something and it's something that they enjoy doing, and the only thing is stopping them is themselves being stupid. Why are you so dumb? Sorry, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Although you may be like, what the fuck? I assure you, I'm not always like, I'm not even in a super bad mood. I think I was in a worse mood before I started the video. I don't know, maybe talking it out, maybe saying these things out loud made me feel better. Who knows? But I assure you, I'm usually in a good mood, usually a very happy person. I'm pretty sure, whatever. I'm usually not in a bad mood. I don't even think I'm in a bad mood no more. I'm just over it. I just can't deal. But see you guys in the next one. Bye.